Hi everyone, Ewan here with Cherry Tree Inventories, and this is the channel Cherry Tree Health and Wellbeing. And today we are going to discuss the subject of ketogenic diets, which I know is extremely important to a lot of people, both in the UK and the US, well, throughout really. And a big subject that everyone seems to be talking about is breads. And so this is basically this is a recipe book which is selling quite well, and people seem to be feeding back on very positively. I understand that obviously it is very difficult for people to not be able to give up bread, your favourite bread, sandwiches and pizzas, but obviously, as we know with keto, that is a big part of it, with all the carbs and the sugars inside of the breads. So this is the page here. You'll find a link beneath this video in the description tab that will take you directly to this page, and you can look at it at your own will. I won't click on this video that's here advertised with Kelly Herring, who's the founder of Healing Gourmet. That will just slow things down. So, but you can dive in, just click the link below this and you can go in and have a look for yourselves. Have a look, there's plenty of bonuses and lots of added information. You know, it goes right in depth. Some PhDs, some big doctors and people that have studied ketogenic diets for many years. They give you a lot more insight into more than just bread recipes or alternatives, or how you can bake things for yourself. So take a look. We'll just have a quick scroll through here. As I say, we won't go into the video because that will slow things down, but we all know about the health and dangers of breads because of, as I say, the carbs and the sugars. It does make it nearly impossible to burn fat and lose weight. But here it goes into lots of different reasons as to why this is probably a good product if you enjoy your bread. Just scroll down here. There's a lot more of the information, and we all like to gain more information about these things. So if you're unsure about some bits of your diet and some bits of the ketogenic diet, how it all works, this is a fantastic page for you to look at anyway, regardless of whether you'd like to get a copy of the recipe book. So jump in. I'm sure you won't be disappointed. As we know, bread is a drug, as it says there, and you do get cravings. I certainly do, certainly have. But we'll just scroll down here, as you can see what, the glycemic index of common foods: a candy bar, table sugar, soft drink, whole wheat breads, white baguette. It really is unreal. I don't think any of us realised many years ago just how much sugar and carbs there is in bread. And what a difference it will make, especially to your waistline, by cutting it out. But it is difficult. But if you can bake some breads at the start of a week and save it for the week, then I'm sure you'll be a lot happier. So there's more information here on all the different toxins that are involved with normal bread. Why it's difficult to burn it off once you've consumed it. But I won't go through all of this with you. I'm sure you can look at this at your own speed, at your own leisure. But we'll just scroll down and show you the actual product itself. There's a bit there about it being more dangerous to your body than arsenic. I mean, it really is quite an eye opener. There you go, breakfast breads, morning muffins, sturdy burger buns, everything you want here. So the lady's name, Kelly Herring, educational background is nutritional biochemistry. Over the years, she spent a lot of time in the library and the laboratory, but her true passion is for the culinary arts. 20 years ago, she founded a company called Healing Gourmet. I've looked at the website myself many times. It is fantastic. As we all like to think about different things in our diets as we get older and a bit larger, so to speak, without offending anyone. I think we can all admit that's where we realise we're probably not as healthy as we could be. We'll just scroll down. There's more information on keto, so much there. And there you go. Your guide to baking grain-free, low-carb bread, including 35 plus keto-friendly bread recipes with 5 grams net carbs or less. All the information is there. And as you can see, you can get instant access for a digital version right now for just $17. The regular price is $24.95. Or if you want the actual physical book shipped to you, you get a copy of the physical, the book shipped to you. Plus, you get instant access to the digital version. So you get a hard copy and a digital copy. And that's right now is $17 plus $5.95 shipping and handling. I'm assuming that means it's normally P&P, postage and packaging in the UK. But there you go, fantastic price, $17 just for the for the download that you'll get immediately today, or $17 plus basically it's another $6 to get the hard copy shipped to you, but instant access to the digital version. You can't really go wrong. It's fantastic, and anyone that's interested in the ketogenic diets would love to have this on their bookcase to hand. It's always nice to have things there rather than everything on a computer. You know, I've always preferred a real book, a real CD, a real DVD as such, rather than everything just being stored online. So there you go. There's some case studies there, lots of case studies of people that have purchased, and some great advice on other things as well. Just regarding baking, it's not all about breads, but some baking. So please do jump in and take a look for yourself. So there you go. Again, it just reminds you, and it's just repeating itself again. And it also states, just showing you that you have a 60-day money back guarantee. 60-day money back guarantee. You can't go wrong. You know, we'd hope that people wouldn't just buy it and then or download it, photocopy it, send it back. But I'm sure some people do, and I'm sure they won't like me sort of prompting that. But no, you got a 60-day money back guarantee. Just click on the link below here. It's a fantastic product. It's great to have on your bookshelf. You know, real actual physical product just to flick through in your own leisure rather than sitting on a computer doing your eyes in again. Have a look, get involved. The price is ridiculous, really, isn't it, for what you get in there? So take a look. I'm sure you won't be disappointed. This is going to be stored, as I say, in the channel Cherry Tree Health and Wellbeing. Just click the link below this video in the tab, and that will take you directly to this page. You can look at the videos and look at it for yourselves. And please do also, if you like the video, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, make some comments. You can email me if you want, info@cherrytreeinventories.co.uk. The information is all on the website and on the YouTube channels. We do welcome any feedback, good or bad. We hope, you know, I know that my voice can be a bit deep or I could be talking a bit quick. If people want me to slow down, or please let us know. We're happy to take everything on board. We're not set in our ways here. We want to help the subscribers and you guys get what you want from your time. Listen to us and from the product. So jump in. I'm sure you won't be disappointed. And as I say, the link below. Go into the website www.cherrytreeinventories.co.uk, or go onto YouTube, type in Cherry Tree product reviews, Cherry Tree Health and Wellbeing. It's all on there. You'll find it. So hope you enjoy.